Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today I've got something a little bit different because for the last month or so I have been working on a hashtag crafty challenge. So you may remember that I was sent a set of 3 wooden frames from the lovely people over at BeeBeeCraft. This set retails for around $6. I will pop a link to the original unboxing so you can go and check that out if you wish. But having 3 frames, I thought, what better thing to do than share them with some of the other crafty creators that I know. So I sent them out a third of the kit each with a letter challenging them to decorate one of the photo frames, but told them they could think outside the box and use anything that they wanted. And at the same time, I would be creating my own frame. And hopefully, if all has gone to plan, they too will be sharing their progress today, and I will be able to pop a link to their progress at the end of this video. Or you could try searching the hashtag crafty challenge and see if you can find it that way. So, on to my creation. I started off by sketching out my design, and I knew I wanted to do something seasonal, and I wanted to have a play with my new pyrography stylus that I got as a Yule gift. So this is my first time using it. I had a little bit of a play, seeing how it worked out. It was a little tricky to get used to a whole new tool, but I really wanted to make the most of the fact that these are wooden frames. So for me, I wanted to be able to see that wood. And then also going along with my seasonal theme, I wanted to make use of some of the gemstones that came with the kit and then some other gemstones that I just had to hand to create these blossoms and leaves and petals. So I hope that you are enjoying my creative process. I cannot wait to see what the other lovely ladies have done. And do let me know down in the comments, what would you have done with a blank wooden photo frame? I would love to see other people's ideas of how they would decorate them, and maybe I'll get another set and have a go at doing some different decorative styles in the future. So do remember to pop on over and check out Pencil Surprises and Roxy the Dotty Crafter and see what they have made as well. So I hope that you have enjoyed this slightly different crafty how-to video today. If you want to go and check out BeeBeeCraft, do remember to use my code WITCH10, which will be on the screen for you to see now. That will save you 10% off of your whole order. Thank you so much for watching today. If you do enjoy my content, please do remember to leave a like, share with a friend, subscribe if you haven't already, and become a member of the Crafty Coven. And finally, a huge thank you to those of you that support me over on Patreon. If you would like to join them over there, the link is always down in the description, and you can join us for as little as $1 a month. So that's all from me for now, and until next time, stay crafty!